This is a box of 12 different containers by JoyJolt. JoyJolt. So these are glass containers in different sizes with interlocking lids, and we are going to check them out together. I'm so excited. I love storing my food in glass. So they come with a protective cover over the glass part and over the lid. So the lid is made of plastic, clear plastic, and then the glass is the borosilicate glass. So the lids go down and they lock, which make them leak proof, which is awesome. All right, so this is like a rectangular size. Here is a round one. Let's see what other ones we have in here. So it's packaged really nicely. A bigger round. Here's one that's got one inside of another. So we'll check those out in a second. Here's another rectangular one, but a little bigger. We've got some bubble wrap around that one. This is another, these are squares. There's two in there. It's pretty impressive how they have packed these. I have no doubt that they all came very securely. Another square. And finally, two more rectangles. So that is so many different containers. I'm just going to start unpacking them, but I can just tell you, just as I'm even unloading them, that I'm very happy with the quality. I love the glass. The plastic feels nice and firm. It seems like something that is going to last a really long time, which is important to me. That's one of the reasons that I get glass, is because I think it will last. I would like it to last longer, and I think there's a higher probability of that occurring with glass. You can put these in the freezer, you can put them in the dishwasher, and you can put them in the microwave. So basically, wherever you need to have your containers, they can be, which is pretty handy. So I'm going to sort these into square and rectangle and round. So far, I've got 2 square, 2 and 3 now. 3 rectangle. Ah, those are the same size. I finally found one that was the same size. So it's got like a saran wrap cover on the top. And the lids have this like gasket around, which help it to stay sealed. All right, here's another little square, which I think might be the same size as one I've already opened. Yep. And then this, I think, is the biggest square I've opened so far. So we've got 4 squares and 4 rectangles, because here's the 4th one. And then it looks like we're going to have 4 round ones. 4 times 3 is 12. Wow. We've got large on the bottom, medium, and 2 smalls in the rectangular and round square. So my guess is it's going to be the same for the round. This is going to be my large one. Man, I'm super impressed with how they packed it. So that's the largest round. This is the medium, and then, yep, I can see 2 small rounds. So for the round ones, you can actually lock the lids back on in any place. That's a small, one more. And then we've got all 12 opened up and ready to use. There we are. We've got our 12 rectangular, square, round. Pretty awesome.